InSysBio company presents IRT. Immune Response Template Database is mainly aimed to boost and facilitate the development of QSP models in immunology and immuno-oncology therapeutic areas. Application of IRT allows to simplify routine work on QSP model development and calibration by using calibrated submodels exported from IRT as building blocks. Why do you need it? You can reduce your time of model development by using IRT. Also, IRT has quite user-friendly interface to navigate across multiple processes and regulations. It's easy to download the whole IRT core model or its part with only access to the IRT at any time. We are still continuing to update the IRT core model few times a year. IRT includes IRT core model and detailed annotations. There are three types of schemes implemented in IRT database: cytokine passport, cell passport, and immunological synapse passport. Cytokine passport includes descriptions of cytokines, synthesis, distribution, and degradation. Cell passport includes descriptions of cell recruitment, apoptosis, proliferation, and differentiation. And immunological synapse passport includes descriptions of surface molecules and complexes. Also, IRT project team provides detailed annotation of IRT core model including equation description, parameters values, and their estimation description, and supplementary files. Rate laws are described in accordance with mass action law. All equations are derived according to available experimental data. 60% of parameters values are calculated or fitted, and only 40% are assumed. And IRT has supplementary PDF files with detailed description of model assumptions, equations and parameters estimation, and other files, including supplementary models if available. We are getting closer to the main question: how to actually use it. If you are interested in, watch the video on our YouTube channel, InSysBio Media. You may learn more information or try demo on the IRT project website, irt.insysbio.com. Please feel free to contact IRT team by email. Thank you for your attention.